Are you ready to start your adventure in the world of e-commerce? If that's the case, you've come to the right place. Today we'll reveal the secrets to developing your own Shopify store in this step-by-step guide. And if you're asking yourself how effective or practical this guide will be, don't worry. Our founder Kevin's story will definitely take care of your skepticism. Kevin is a dynamic entrepreneur and the driving force behind Spreadify Marketing. Before Spreadify Marketing, Kevin grew his Shopify store to $1.5 million in just 20 months. To this day, he swears by Shopify as the perfect e-commerce platform for turbocharging your business growth. So get some coffee, grab your notepad, and let's get started. Step 1. Register and select a store name. There's nothing quite like taking your first steps into the world of e-commerce. Signing up for a Shopify account is surprisingly easy. Go to the Shopify website and click the Get Started option. They'll walk you through a quick and easy sign-up process. Simply enter your email address, password, and store name, and you're done. You're one brave step towards realizing your entrepreneurial potential. Let's move on to naming your business. This is your opportunity to exercise your creative skills and create something that will leave a lasting impression on your customers. Your store name is more than just a string of words. It represents your brand's identity, a reflection of your niche, and the first thing that comes to mind when consumers think of your products. Here are a few tips to help you create a memorable store name. Choose a name that will cling to people's brains. Aim for something unique and catchy that captures the soul of your brand. Avoid names that blend seamlessly with the surroundings. Reflect your niche. The name of your store should give customers an idea of what you offer. For example, if you offer handcrafted jewelry, you could call it Gleaming Gems or Artisan Adornments. Allow your store's name to be a subtle hint that entices potential customers to dig deeper. Consider SEO. In the vast ocean that is the internet, a competent SEO strategy is essential for sailing your ship. To increase search engine rankings, incorporate important keywords into your store name. If you sell organic skincare items, for example, incorporate words like natural, organic, or skincare in your store name. Maintain simplicity. Stay away from names that require a PhD in linguistics to pronounce.
What is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name is
A simple and straightforward store name is easy to remember and share with others. It is also less likely to be misspelled in search results. Domain availability. Check the availability of the matching domain name before deciding on a store name. Having a domain name that matches the name of your business adds credibility and makes it easier for people to find you. To check availability, you can use Shopify's domain name generator or a domain registrar. Remember, your store name is like the opening line of a great novel. It sets the tone and piques curiosity. So take your time, brainstorm, and when you find that perfect name that makes your heart skip a beat, you know you've struck gold. Step 2. Select a stunning theme. Now that you've got your Shopify account up and running with a catchy store name, it's time to give your online store a visual makeover. Enter the world of Shopify themes, where you'll find plenty of alternatives to suit your brand's style, niche, and personality. Think of a theme as your store's virtual outfit. It sets the tone, creates a memorable experience for your customers, and shows your products in the best possible light. Whether you're looking for a sleek and modern look or a quirky and colorful one, Shopify's massive collection of themes has you covered. Here are some pointers to help you select the best theme for your store. 1. Reflect your brand. Consider the personality, values, and target audience of your brand. Does your company's image convey elegance and sophistication, or is it more laid back and playful? Look for a theme that complements your company identity and express the emotions you want your customers to feel. 2. Visual appeal. Aesthetics matter a lot. Your theme should be visually appealing and make a strong first impression. Look for themes with clean layouts, high-quality images, and eye-catching typography. It should be easy on the eyes and create a seamless browsing experience for your customers. 3. Mobile-friendly. In today's mobile-centric environment, choosing a theme that is fully responsive and optimized for mobile devices is extremely important. As more consumers shop on their smartphones, you don't want to miss out on possible sales due to a clunky mobile experience. 4. Customization options. While the theme you select may be stunning on its own, you will most likely want to add your own personal touch without having to write a single line of code. The versatility allows you to create a unique look and feel for your store. 5. User-friendly. Your theme should not only look good, but also provide a seamless user experience. It should be easy to navigate with intuitive menus and clear product categories. Put yourself in your customers' shoes and imagine how they would interact with your store. 6. Customer reviews. Don't just take our word for it. Tap into the wisdom of the Shopify community. Explore the theme's reviews and ratings from other users. Their feedback can provide valuable insights into the theme's performance, customization options, and overall satisfaction. Once you've chosen a theme that checks all the boxes, it's time to bring your virtual storefront to life. Install the theme with a simple click and voila!
Voila!
Your store will transform into a visually stunning masterpiece. But remember, your theme is just the canvas. It's your products, branding, and customer service that will truly make your store shine. Step 3. Essential apps for your e-commerce business. Running a successful e-commerce business requires more than just a stunning storefront. It's all about leveraging the right tools and apps to enhance your store's functionality and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Let's take a look at some of the most important Shopify apps you should be using in 2023. One app that deserves a special mention is Vitals. With over 40 key apps bundled into one, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for your Shopify store. Vitals has a number of tools that can help you boost sales, build customer trust, and improve the overall user experience. Vitals has you covered with everything from social proof and urgency notifications to trust badges. What's the best part? It's pretty cheap, saving you both time and money over installing several different apps. Here are a few other essential apps you should consider for your e-commerce business. Loox. Customer reviews are powerful social proof that can significantly impact your sales. Loox helps you collect and display customer reviews, allowing potential buyers to make informed purchasing decisions. It also offers features like customer Q&A, user-generated photos, and loyalty programs to further engage your audience. Loox's pricing varies depending on your store's needs. Currency Converter. If you're selling worldwide, it's crucial to cater to customers in different regions and currencies. A Currency Converter app automatically detects visitors' locations and displays prices in their local currency, making the shopping experience more seamless and convenient. Currency Converter apps like Best Currency Converter are available for free, with additional premium features available for an upgrade. SEO Image Optimizer. In the vast online marketplace, search engine optimization (SEO) is key to driving organic traffic to your store. This app optimizes your product images by automatically adding alt tags and compressing file sizes, improving your store's SEO and page load speed. Better visibility and faster loading times. It's a win-win. SEO Image Optimizer is priced at $34.95 per month. These are just a handful of the many fantastic apps available on the Shopify App Store. As you explore, keep your business goals and customer needs in mind. Look for apps that align with your specific requirements and can help streamline your operations, increase conversions, and provide an exceptional customer experience. Remember, Shopify apps are like little helpers that work behind the scenes, enhancing your store's functionality and making your life as an e-commerce entrepreneur a whole lot easier. Step 4. Manage your stock like a pro. Effective stock management is crucial for any e-commerce business. You want to ensure you have the right products available to meet customer demand while avoiding stockouts or excess inventory. Here are a few tips to help you manage your stock like a pro. 1. Set up inventory tracking. Shopify provides built-in inventory management tools that allow you to track your stock levels in real time. Make sure to enable this feature and keep a close eye on your inventory to know when it's time to restock. 2. Utilize product bundling. Bundle complementary products together to increase sales and move inventory faster. By creating bundles or product sets, you can offer customers a more enticing deal and encourage them to purchase multiple items at once. 3. Implement low stock alerts. Set up automatic low stock alerts to notify you when certain products are running low. This way you can reorder on time and avoid disappointing customers with out-of-stock items.
Disappointed!
4. Optimize reordering process. Streamline your reordering process by establishing relationships with reliable suppliers and automating purchase orders. This ensures a smoother restocking process and minimizes the chances of stock shortages. 5. Do regular inventory audits. Perform periodic inventory audits to reconcile your physical stock with your recorded stock levels. This helps identify any discrepancies, such as inventory shrinkage or inaccurate record keeping, and allows you to take corrective action. 6. Use sales reports. Leverage Shopify's sales reports and analytics to gain insights into your top-selling products, slow-moving items, and seasonal trends. This data can guide your purchasing decisions and inventory planning. Step 5. Connect payment gateways and navigate transaction fees. Now, let's talk money. To start accepting payments on your Shopify store, you'll need to connect a payment gateway. If you're located in a supported country, Shopify Payments is the most convenient and integrated payment solution right now. It simplifies the setup process and offers competitive transaction fees. If you prefer to use a third-party payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe, you can easily connect them to your Shopify store. It's important to be aware of transaction fees associated with payment gateways. Each payment gateway may have different fee structures, which can include a percentage of the transaction value and a fixed fee per transaction. Step 6. Spread the word and market your store. Congratulations! You've built your Shopify store. Now it's time to let the world know about your fantastic products. Marketing is the magical potion that'll turn your business dreams into reality. Marketing plays a vital role in driving traffic and converting visitors into paying customers. Leverage social media, influencer partnerships, content marketing, and paid advertising to maximize your store's exposure. If you need help, look no further than Spreadify Marketing. Our team of experts specializes in digital marketing and Shopify optimization, so don't hesitate to contact us for all your marketing needs.